What do we have here? Merry Christmas. Little Kurvball care package. Let's see what's inside. Oh my. You got a hat. Oh, couple hats. Nice. Trucker style, regular style. Stack of stickers. Ooh, liquid lunch with some chips. And a special handwritten note. Wow. You guys outdid yourself on this one. And for the great reveal, let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Man, look at that packaging. There she is. Row It Back Original Barbecue Whiskey. Pairs with every type of barbecue you can imagine. Thank you so much.